Yes, Kyodi reply with half guard. I hear the half guard was good. You see me I say? My half guard was good. I don't know how good it was, or if it was good enough to give Kyodi the lead. You see me? But 10 tick definitely round 2 in just round 1 10 to take it. You see me? And it's check out in the round 2 for 10 tick to go on. You see me? This is gonna be round 2 track for Kyodi. You see me? Let's see what Kyodi are doing with the blows and square. Yeah man. Hey, Kyodi, you gotta come hard, my G. You see me? You have to come hard, cause so far, you know I say, in some people's opinion, the song where your job first was trash. I would just say it's not what we expected you to come with, considering you are the one who started the clash, dog. You see me? You are the one to call out the dog. So I mean, I expect you to come with that. You see me? So this one half guard, you have to come good. Yeah, it's a good title. You see me? So you have to come good for the one. You see me? Why for the come? You have to forward the right way on the track here. You see me I say? Yeah man, we can check it out. The one Kyodi half guard. Let's get it gang.
Wish pussy this how we not fling that tongue.
So wait, he drop a video? A whole video? Oh, lad. Alright. Dog, not complain that war, dog. Okay, that's a little points up. Come here.
Killer when no think, we do things undone. This Marcus, the big man son. Chip clap breeze and no wind that come. Red Hills Road, battle King can come. See 4 rifle man no pin that down. Be a big long gun. Easy.
Okay. This is the more aggressive type what we expect. You see me, the more of the aggression was expecting in the first track. Come on.
Big long gun, we love shoot people, we think that fun. Go for boy blood, but I him that run. Press the AK, make his spring start punks. Squeeze up his trigger, my finger numb.
Alright, go for the boy, but he start run. Squeeze up his trigger, make his spring up. Alright, come in, Tentic. Yeah, more Tentic. Kyodi, come in.
Run, press the AK, make his spring start punks. Squeeze up his trigger, my finger numb. Alien no afraid and no boy ya dumb. When you know about Jim Brown grandson. Room in your foot, yeah, that's slow you down. Room in your face, all in.
Hold on, he mentioned Alien. So was Alien the track where we skip over? Was that part of the no man, cause this was the second track. So this have to be him second track. I have to. Alright, come on.
They are drunk. Half guard, you catchy boy. Anthony spin magnum funny. No care how him a cry.
Easy.
And I beg me say please don't shut him.
Hey, Kyodi, alright, you're forward back, bro. Yeah, man, come on, me like the vibes. With that video too, come on.
Yeah, do catchy boy. And beat the 16 like jump on him. No care how him a cry. That couldn't stop we from gunshot him. Wish boy me feel afraid of fool. After no boy never favor tool. From me there in a one.
Wish boy me afraid of boy, eh? After no boy never afraid at all. Eh? You know, going on. Hey, I'm Theo.
Boy, me feel afraid of fool. After no boy never favor tool. From me there in a 1 grade of school. Me no back from boy 6th grade of cool. Mine where you stand up off your favor pool. Who I gas him up, I want to hear a balloon.
But clad from a little afraid of fool in the mind where you turn up turn in a pool, no brother. You see me, man, you have to swim in your own blood in me, G. Behave yourself, my youth. Oh.
Mine where you stand up off your favor pool. Who I gas him up, I want to hear a balloon. Big guy turn on, the intro take hold on. Never hear nothing like that yet, no on. Humble clad, the thing mad. Tell a boy try test me if him bad. Mine barrel to run out.
Alright, come on gang. You follow the one and the one have a little vibes to it. You see me not like.
Big guy turn on, the intro take hold on. Never hear nothing like that yet, no on. Humble clad, the thing mad. Tell a boy try test me if him bad. Mine barrel to run out with the zigzag. Sman the daffy drop, get a big bag. Need all them at Tivoli as a fucking.
Yeah man, body bag and to attack man. I'm
GX road badness I never did prank. Gunshot in a face I never did blank. Close range make you swear is a 6 pants. Half guard we catch you boy.
You see me gunshot in the face, no blanks on here, bro. You see me everything I get, everything I connect. You see me everything I so keen, man. Yeah, man.
And Tony spin magnum bunny. No care how him a cry. And I beg me say please don't shut him. Half guard we catch you boy. And beat the 16 like jump on him. No care how him a cry. That couldn't stop we from gunshot
him. Damn, half guard 10 dick. Half dog, you make him man catch a dog. I'm tear dog. You know, say you know, if you make them catch you off guard and can't catch you pan a corner. You have to catch you in the house, like, hey, come here.
That him wish pussy this how we no fling that down. Me have killer when no think, we do things undone. This Marcus a big man son. Chip clap breeze and no wind that come. Red Hills Road battle King can come. See 4 rifleman no pin that down. Be a big long gun.
Alright, okay, yo. Kyodi. Got a fighting chance now in that war. You see me? That come back, make a comeback with the one. I mean not lie. You see me? There's not a conclusion. That make a comeback with the one.
Easy. Be a big
damn gun. Survive. Get shot with him survive.
Man. No boy. No bag of chatty neither. No pussy. Bro. Right. Man.
NPT, no pussy test. I want to them. Kyodi say, alright, you are going. Let me go. You see me? Go back family and come with your father. You see me? But easy enough. Yeah man, Kyodi. Me like how you are forward, me G. You see me? Go come like you went back to the drawing board. And rethink your plan and reformulate. I like that. You see me I say? Yeah man. You still get shot still no, cause it take you a while. You still get shot. But I like the fact that say you forward back and reformulate. You know what I'm saying? But you still get shot still. No cap. But yeah man, that was a dope chat man. Kyodi. Yeah, Kyodi still in that war. That get shot. I'm lean up, cramp up right now, but I'm still in that war. You see me? Tentic leading. Yeah, I would say Tentic still leading. You see me? I say me not lie. But yeah man, he make a survival move a while ago, which is good, bro. You see me? I said I went back to the drawing board and come back with a different tune. And I'm still in that war. There's no conclusion right there, so nobody no drop that definitive song there if you say yo. I'm just a forward in that war, you know.